Need to get back into your Temu account? Here's how to log in smoothly. First, open the Temu app or visit temu.com. Tap on the login button in the top right corner. Now choose your login method. You can use your email and password or sign in with Google, Facebook, or Apple ID. If you are using email, type in your registered email address and your password, then tap Login. Temu may ask for a verification code sent to your email. Just enter it to confirm it's really you. Once verified, you will be redirected to your dashboard where all your orders and settings live. If you forgot your password, tap Forgot Password to reset it easily. Comment below how often do you shop on Temu? And don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.